Tired of waiting in long lines at the bank to send money? Frustrated with hidden fees eating into your hard-earned cash? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people are turning to digital wallets for faster, easier, and more affordable financial transactions. One of the most popular options out there is Cash App. But how do you even get started? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Cash App account. So, grab your phone, let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of setting up your Cash App, let's talk about why you might want to use it. Cash App is more than just a digital wallet. It's a platform that allows you to send and receive money instantly, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and even get paid for shopping. It's like having a bank in your pocket, but without the hassle. Now, let's get down to business. To start, you'll need to download the Cash App from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll be asked to enter your phone number. Cash App will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your number. Next, you'll need to create a Cash App PIN. This PIN will be used to secure your account, so choose something strong that you can remember. After setting your PIN, you'll be asked to add a debit card. This is optional, but it's recommended as it allows you to instantly verify your identity and start using Cash App right away. Once your account is verified, you can start adding friends and family to your Cash App contacts. This makes sending money super easy. Just tap on the person's name, enter the amount you want to send, and hit send. Your money will be transferred instantly. But Cash App is more than just peer-to-peer payments. You can also use it to pay bills, buy and sell Bitcoin, and even invest in stocks. To buy or sell Bitcoin, simply tap on the Bitcoin tab in the app. You can buy as little or as much as you want. To invest in stocks, you'll need to link a brokerage account to your Cash App. Cash App also offers a cash card. This is a debit card linked to your Cash App balance. You can use it to make purchases anywhere that accepts Visa. Plus, you can earn cash back on your purchases. Security is a top priority for Cash App. The app uses encryption to protect your information, and you can add an extra layer of security with biometric authentication. However, it's important to be aware of potential scams. Never share your Cash App PIN or account information with anyone. Now, let's talk about some common questions people have about Cash App. First, is Cash App safe? As we mentioned, Cash App uses encryption to protect your information. However, it's important to be cautious and avoid sharing your personal information with anyone. Second, how long does it take to transfer money with Cash App? If both you and the recipient have Cash App, the money is transferred instantly. If you're sending money to a bank account, it can take 1 to 3 business days. Third, can I use Cash App to send money internationally? Currently, Cash App is only available in the United States and the United Kingdom. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.